Welcome to our guide on how to archive a bank or credit card in Docyt. Let's begin. Start by logging into your Docyt account. After logging in, go to the Banking and Reconciliation drop-down menu. From there, click on Banking Accounts and then select Accounts. This section displays all the bank accounts and credit cards that have been added and are currently active. Identify the bank account or credit card you want to archive from the list. Click on the three dots ellipses icon associated with that particular account. A drop-down menu will appear, providing you with a range of options. Simply choose Archive Account from the menu. Select an archive date and click on Proceed. Once you've confirmed the archive action, the account will be removed from the active accounts list. To access the archived account in the future, navigate to the Archive tab. If you ever need to reactivate an archived account, follow a similar process and select the Unarchive option. This allows you to manage your accounts and keep everything in order easily. And there you have it. You have now learned how to archive a bank or credit card in Docyt. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.